Well, I started in January as a lady boss. My name's Chrisenda, I guess I should say that. But my story, like overall, I was about 12 when somebody very close to me committed suicide, and me and my mom kind of had a bad relationship after that because she kind of spiraled out of control. So that made me and my brothers kind of spiral out of control. And so we moved to a different state, and I basically went from being in sports and clubs and organizations to dropping everything, and got to the point to where I got pregnant. And in my mind, it was just I'm gonna have somebody who loves me, I'm gonna have a baby that no matter what, they're never gonna leave. And it was really hard because I was young, but I grew up and I knew that I had to get a job and start taking care of things on my own. So I did that, and then all throughout that, just trying to chase my son's dad and just wanting that love and constantly wanting to be loved. And fast forward a little bit, I am now with my husband, and I had just gotten married, and things with my mom have gotten better. We've built a better relationship, and I saw Kaelin's video, and I knew at the time I'm a manager. I had 2 kids, and I wanted to become healthier. I didn't love myself at all. I sat around every day after work. I just wanted to go home and I just wanted to sleep every single day. I didn't have motivation like my kids would want me to go outside, and I was so tired and depressed that I didn't want to. I mean, I just wanted to sleep all the time. And so, sorry. And so then I saw Kaelin's video, and my husband literally said to me, "So you're gonna pay money to quit it in 2 weeks?" He knew that was my routine. I'd try something and I'd try to get better. And the thing with LadyBoss is it is literally a lifestyle. So when I joined in January of 2017, me and my husband had been trying to get pregnant for about 6 months, and that just put me even more into depression. But I was trying to love myself at the same time. And I finally got pregnant, and I was so happy. I was in the best shape of my life. And then I got pregnant, and it was gaining weight, and it was oh my gosh, all of that progress, I wanted to get pregnant, but all of that progress I had just made, I'm gonna lose all of it. So I kind of sat back in the LadyBoss group, and I just kept watching and watching, and try to apply LadyBoss lifestyle even when being pregnant. Then I had my baby 6 months ago now, and it's really hard because nobody teaches you how to go through LadyBoss, the ups and downs. It's awesome now that Kaelin's pregnant, so she kind of sees both sides of it, but now I get to learn to love myself again. And I think that's the biggest thing, is it's not just about weight loss. It doesn't matter how much I weigh. It's the fact that I've been chasing love my whole life, and then now even to this day, I'm still trying to build and learn to love myself even with all my flaws. So that's basically my story in a 30-minute nutshell.
No, thank you so much for being vulnerable. That means a lot. What is this giving you? Giving in your life, being a lady boss and living that lifestyle?
Oh, it's amazing. I am super active with my kids now. We will go on vacations, and I can run and jump and climb and do things that there's no way I would have ever been able to do. My husband, our marriage is so much better because I'm happier, and so we're happier. My husband actually does LadyBoss with me. We go to the gym and we bust out shoulders all the time. He jokes about wanting a man boss kind of thing because he loves it. We eat the foods that are approved. It's transformed my family. It's made our entire family so much better. It's not just about me. It was applying it to the whole rest of my life. So
that's amazing to hear. So what do you say to someone who's stuck where you were and maybe they've tried and start and fail, and they're worried if there's going to be one more time, but they do want it, but they just feel like it might just be one more go that lets them down?
Well, I think the biggest thing with LadyBoss is nobody's perfect. I mean, we all literally stumble, and the thing is like I said, it's a lifestyle. So you may have had 2 cheat meals this week, but you're still human. You're still beautiful. You still have to love yourself no matter what. You still have to keep going. And you know, it is a risk, but literally every person I meet, like my friends, my family, like my sister's a lady boss now, my sister-in-law is a lady boss, my mom's a lady boss, like everybody I know, I'm like, you have to join this. And it's not even because somebody is overweight or out of shape, it's because I know that like physically they could learn to love themselves so much. Like my sister has been going to the gym for 1.5 years and she's made a little bit of progress, but she was on depression medications and all kinds of crazy things. Like she was crying all the time, and I was like, you know what, like you just need to join LadyBoss. And she kept telling me no, and now she's been a LadyBoss for like 6 months and she loves herself so much. And so I would just tell anybody, like, just make the jump, just do it, because I would never regret ever joining LadyBoss. Like, this program has changed my life.